Students from various schools in Ponda participated at the National Science Day organized by Symbiosis School, Shiroda. They participated in various competitions and excelled. Professor Vallab Kamat said the exhibits displayed by the students were way beyond their level.
Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Benjamin Rocha, Headmaster, School of Symbiosis, Shiroda. I feel very happy today because we are celebrating National Science Day, Spectra 2023. Our School of Symbiosis had this inter-school competition. In all, 10 schools from Ponda Taluka and Kepem Taluka participated. And I'm very happy that prime school from this Taluka like Sarodaya High School, the New Education School, Ponda schools, we have got Vidya Vrudhi, Fatima High School, and our local schools like St. Anthony High School, Brahmadurga High School, Kamlabai Hede High School participated in these events. And I was moving all around. We had 7 events like formula test, we had general knowledge quiz, we had allocation competition wherein the topic was conflict between man and nature. We had concept presentation wherein there were PowerPoint presentation on various science topics. Then we had short film making competition. We had science projects. We also displayed on this particular day the beautiful novel projects prepared by our tiny Daffodils primary schools. There were more than 15 projects. And I am very happy and proud headmaster wherein my school children were given exposure to come out with projects wherein there were over 30 projects. And the response that we have received was mind-blowing.
First of all, I wish to congratulate all these students who have participated in these projects, as well as their teachers, because the teachers have guided them. And what I found that all the projects are in fact beyond their level. That means whatever the work that they have done, especially related to the science involved, is much beyond their level, because I asked them, some of them are 8th standard students, 7th standard, 6th standard students, etc. So if you compare the projects that they have done, it is much beyond, and it will be the good understanding also. They know what they have done. When I asked them some questions, they could answer these questions very well. Okay. I wish we should celebrate this Science Day, the so-called Science Day, as a Science Week. More and more activities of this type should be conducted.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.